morning. Welcome to Rachel's Wake and Bake. Today I'll be making Easter Bunny cupcakes. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a homemade vanilla cupcake recipe. We're going to start with our dry ingredients. We're going to add 1 2/3 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We're just going to mix that together. Okay, now we're going to add our wet ingredients to our dry. We're going to start with 3/4 cup of melted butter, but not hot. 3 large egg whites, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 1/2 cup of sour cream, and 1/2 cup of warm milk. I'm going to place it on my mixer with my whisk, and we're just going to mix on low until it's well combined. We don't want to overmix. Okay, I think that's good. It's okay to have a few little lumps in there. Now we're going to divide our batter into 12 cups. We're going to fill about 3/4 full. Okay, we're going to preheat our oven to 350, and we're going to bake these for 18 to 22 minutes. So while the cupcakes are baking, I'm going to make a simple vanilla buttercream frosting. So we're going to start with 1 cup of unsalted butter. And a whisk and we'll cream the butter. Okay, now that our butter is creamed, I'm going to add 4 cups of powdered sugar, 2 to 3 tablespoons of heavy cream or milk. All I have is milk. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Then we're gonna whisk all that together. So these baked for approximately 18 minutes. I tested them with a toothpick in the center, and they came out clean, so they are done. Now I'm going to put them on a rack to fully cool before we ice them. Okay, the cupcakes have cooled. Now we are going to ice and decorate them. So I'm just going to take the icing, just going to go over. And then the first thing we're going to do is we're going to dunk them into our coconut to make the bunny look fuzzy. And we're going to add their ears. So we just used marshmallow, and we cut them on a 45-degree angle to make them kind of pointy. And then I'm just going to use chocolate chips for the eyes. Oh, I forgot to dunk the marshmallows into my pink sugar. I don't really see it. I just put some red dye in my sugar to make it look pink. And I'm just going to use, I cut up some cherries in half, and I'm just going to use a cherry for the nose. They're so cute. If you're finding that the ears are not staying on, you can dunk them into the icing. Just dunk them back into the icing after you put the coconut on. found that they stayed better. These turned out amazing. They are so adorable. These are ready for the Easter party. Oh, they're so moist. Delicious.